Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation looks similar in all other browsers which are commonly used on those devices, so no worries. In the Chrome, all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and all you have to do, basically, in order to remove them manually, is to tap on this X button right next to it. However, if in your case you've got a really long list, then I highly recommend to use this to do it automatically. So simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, and in advanced, also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. If you're ready, tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting with history, the browsing history, and ending on saved passwords. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.